Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Pinterest account online on your computer from a web browser. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Pinterest account online from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in pinterest.com like this and hit enter, and after that you land on this page, which is the home page of Pinterest itself. Now to log into your Pinterest account from over here, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign up and the login button at the red button. If you have not yet created an account over here, simply click on sign up and you will go through the sign up procedure of Pinterest and you will be able to create an account on it. And to log in, let's click on login, and you'll be required to enter your email address and your password over here, which you had registered on Pinterest at the time of creating your account, and click on login to sign into your Pinterest account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. And you can see you can also continue to Pinterest with your Facebook and your Google accounts over here. Click on Facebook or Google simply like this, and you will be redirected to these kinds of login pages, where if you log into your Google and your Facebook accounts from these pages, you will also be logged into your Pinterest account. And there guys, this is how you log into your Pinterest account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.